Sprinkler strategy. The sprinkler strategy, also known as sprinkler diffusion strategy, is a market entry strategy based on the principle of diversification in which a company attempts to enter as many markets as possible in a relatively short time. A successful implementation of the sprinkler strategy requires a high standardization of marketing activities due to the extreme difficulty implied in the simultaneous maximization of marketing activities, customization, and of the number of successful market entries. Usually, a certain amount of failed market entries and withdrawals from some markets is accepted if a sprinkler strategy is used. In case a waterfall strategy and a sprinkler strategy are used together, this yields a combined waterfall sprinkler strategy. Advantages and disadvantages of the sprinkler strategy. Advantages of the sprinkler strategy are. Disadvantages of the sprinkler strategy are.